So let's implement the for each function inside the array prototype, and let's put it there. So let's start by using the array constructor function, then go to inside the prototype property, and here we can add our for each, but as you can see it's already there. Yes, the original one, but we will create new one called for each with z. So we'll have a function. This function will take a function as an argument to it. So if you asked why do I use the function keyword, not the arrow function, this is because that the arrow function does not bind this. It uses this from the outer scope. So this is why I'm using the function keyword. Inside the function keyword, this will be bounded to the array that called this function. So the call site. So if I have array and called for each z on it, this will refer to the array. So what a possible implementation for each function? I think the simplest one is for of loop. The iterator, I will leave it as it is, but the object is this, which is the array itself. So for each element, or let's just element, for each element in the array, pass it to the function to the callback function that you gave us. You gave this method, this function. So this is like this. So how we can use it? Like we use any high order function inside the array. We pass it a callback. So I have an array of names dot for each with z. Here for each name. Oh, sorry, names here. So for each name, I will just console log the name. As you can see, we have Ruwad, Sarah, Polo, and it's just hi and add the name. So I'm using Quaka here. So this is this blue text is live evaluation. So this means that hi Ruwad will be printed in the console, then in a new line hi Sarah, and as well for Polo. This works for even if this was an array of objects. So name Ruwad, age 21, name Sarah, age 12, name Polo, age -12. So we can use the name property inside each object. We can destruct it. So like this. Here we have the name. Of course, this is the simplest way to implement the for each function.